to take over number 4 spot. Adam stays in number 11.
Steve Thompson, Booker Pies lane. Terry Gibbon in the Autoglim lane.
Okay, so we've got the number 8 qualifier in the left-hand lane and the number 7 qualifier in the right-hand lane. Be interesting to see whether we get any reversals. There's only 0.05 of a second between the qualifying times for these two guys.
This will be a very, very close run thing. Reaction times not too far apart.
Yeah, Steve Thompson on the timings down the track as he goes, he's got a distinct advantage there, but it looked like Terry was coming back at him a bit.